We at Lucinity operate under the hypothesis that leveraging the data that financial institutions already have and combining it with smart algorithms and embedded human automations in the end product actually really strengthens already their task at gatekeeping the financial systems and is a huge step upward than just a simple data analysis. We also think that this environment of smart algorithm actually fosters a work environment where analysts can really focus also more on complex financial crime rather than having to deal with a lot of false positives. Our mission is to make money good, and we achieve this through a concept that we call human AI. So we believe that time is best spent making decisions confidently and not trying to gather data, combing through it, trying to understand it. And even in 2022, we know that in some financial institutions, analysts spend up to 80% of their time on just doing that, manual, repetitive tasks. And that is where human AI really comes into play, where we allow machines to do what they are really best at and what we are not so great at, memory tasks, big pattern analysis, contextualization of data, but with the aim of empowering to do us what we really do best, which is creative thinking, interpretation, and empathizing with the facts. And so this skill set, this synergistic skill set really comes together to unlock the potential of compliance systems and really creates these productivity powerhouses that are otherwise really not possible. And a huge challenge, especially looking at the regulatory landscape, of course, is the topic of compliance collaboration. And we see this huge challenge as actually one of the biggest opportunities that we have in compliance, because we can now leverage all sorts of technologies, from encryption to federated learning methodologies, etc., to really develop and start innovating in safe ways of collaboration to strengthen the entire ecosystem.